Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Friends, by seeing the thumbnail, you will be thinking whether it is possible to start a business with less investment and to get more profit. Yes, it is possible to start a business by investing low amount and getting more profit. In this video, let's see how this is possible. It is possible by doing handmade items and selling them in a reasonable price. For example, if you are interested in crochet, then you have to buy one skein of yarn and a crochet hook. This cutter, you can even use the scissors which we have in the house. You will be wondering how one skein of yarn is enough for doing crochet project. Yes, using this one skein of yarn, you can do so many cute little projects like mini purse, bookmark, coaster, keychain, miniature, cute amigurumi, earrings, ear warmer, some home decors, doll dress, etc. So in crochet, you have to just know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, magic circle and slip stitch. By knowing these 7 stitches, you can make your creations to come true. You can make your creativity look so cute and beautiful. You can sell these cute crochet items in a reasonable cost, which gives you more profit. So this is what I tell you, that by buying one skein of yarn and a crochet hook, we can do many cute little projects like this and sell them in a most reasonable cost and get more profit with less investment. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.